Hey guys, welcome back to another brand new video and thanks so much for tuning in. As you may have guessed from the title, in today's video I'm going to be going through the 5 best passive income ideas around and telling you exactly how you can use these passive income strategies to generate more money for yourself in 2021 and beyond. If that sounds good to you, make sure you stick around to the end so that you can get the most out of this video. And now let's get started. First off, if you're new to the channel and you're interested in learning about personal finance, investing, and everything in between, make sure you subscribe down below and turn on those notifications so that you don't miss out on new videos every single week that are gonna help you with just that. So first things first, for anybody that might be wondering exactly what this passive income thing is all about, Wikipedia defines passive income as income that requires little to no effort to earn and maintain. But I'm going to expand on that just a little bit and say that passive income is any type of system that you can set up or create right now, which will then generate cash flow for you in the future, either with a very low level of continued effort or in the best case scenario, without any continued effort whatsoever. Passive income is one of my favorite things to talk about, and I'm really excited to get into the passive income ideas themselves. So here goes. First up on the list is real estate investing. Income producing real estate is one of the most popular methods of producing passive income, and that's due to a number of factors. Perhaps most significantly, because real estate is a tangible asset which has historically been considered a safe place to invest money, lenders tend to be very comfortable lending you money to buy a property. And this can be a huge benefit as it enables you to access leverage or borrowed money to purchase an asset that you otherwise may not have been able to access. Let's use the example of a rental unit that costs you £100,000 to purchase. In the case of a buy-to-let mortgage, where you are purchasing a property specifically for the purpose of renting it out to a tenant, lenders typically want you to put down 25% of the purchase price as a deposit. So if the rental unit you're buying costs you £100,000, you're going to need to put down 25k and the bank will then lend you the other 75. Now let's say that you can rent the property out for £700 a month and your mortgage payments and other expenses come to £350 a month total. That's going to leave you with £350 in extra income every month, with very little ongoing work involved after you've purchased the property and found a tenant. The best part in all of this is that from your initial investment of 25k, not only have you gained monthly income of £350, which adds up to £4,200 or 16.8% each year, which beats the average stock market return of 10% per year by quite a big margin, but you've also acquired a property valued at £100,000. And the mortgage on that property is going to be paid down by your tenants over time through the monthly mortgage payments. Not to mention that property values have historically risen over time too. So the sale value of your property could well have increased by the time you come to sell it as well. Now, of course, properties do need to be maintained, which could result in you needing to do some work every now and then in order to keep it in good shape. However, you do have the option of hiring a property manager to take care of things like ongoing maintenance and dealing with tenants for you, for example. And whilst this might eat into your profit margins slightly, if it's total passivity that you're after, then it's definitely an option that's worth considering. Now, number 2 on the list of passive income ideas is to create and publish content. This is one that I've spoken about before in a previous video, but it's definitely worth expanding on it a little bit more here. So things like books and music are great ways to make passive income. Whilst it does take time to create the content initially, once you've put in the hard work and written the book or recorded the song, you're left with an asset that becomes yours to publish and sell in the future. Now, it might take you 6 months or so to write a book, and in that time, you're not going to generate any income from it. But when the book is complete, it can be sold an unlimited number of times, and it has the ability to generate an income for you for the rest of your life without you needing to put in any more work at all. Just imagine if that was the case with your 9-to-5 job, where you could work hard for 6 months and then be paid for that same 6 months over and over again for the rest of your life. That clearly sounds too good to be true. And for regular earned income, it is, because you trade your time in exchange for an agreed amount of money, which is known as a wage or a salary. But as I've said before in another video, Passive income follows a different set of rules, which make it possible for you to put in the work now to create a system, which in this example would be the book, that will then generate income for you in the future without the need for your continued input or effort. So next up at number 3 is to build a social media following. This is an increasingly popular way of earning passive income, and it's really easy to see why. Social media platforms such as Facebook, Instagram, TikTok, and of course YouTube are completely intertwined into the lives of the vast majority of people on the planet. And the sheer number of people using these platforms creates an enormous opportunity for content creators to provide something of value to people on a huge scale. One of the biggest draws of building a following on social media is that when you are successful in attracting a large enough audience, advertisers will become interested in paying you to showcase their products or to rave about their services in the hope that your audience will then decide to buy from them in the future. In the case of YouTube, when a channel reaches a threshold of 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 hours of watch time within a 12-month period, YouTube will allow that channel to turn on monetization. And at that point, the channel can then add advertisements to their videos, which will provide them with a small amount of income each time someone clicks on and watches one of their videos in the future. Continuing with YouTube as our example here, obviously, to continue adding subscribers and to keep your existing subscribers happy and engaged with your content, it's important to continue uploading regular videos that provide value to your audience. And for that reason, an argument could be made that this isn't a way of creating passive income, because it will require an ongoing time commitment. However, I would definitely disagree with that, because once you've spent the time creating and uploading a video, that particular video is finished and it requires no further effort from you at all, but it now has the potential to earn income for you in the future. Therefore, any time that you do spend working on your YouTube channel will be spent repeating the process of creating more videos that provide valuable content to your audience, and in turn those videos can generate more passive income for you whilst you work on creating the next ones. This creates a domino effect where the more content you create, the more videos you'll have on your channel that are simultaneously earning a small amount of advertising revenue for you each time someone watches them. So you can see how some popular YouTubers get paid huge sums of money through advertising revenue alone. Having said that, advertising revenue isn't the only way to monetize a social media channel. There are a number of different ways that you can create an income on social media, and this is something that I'm going to go into in a lot more detail in an upcoming video that's going to be posted on the channel soon. So if you're thinking about starting a YouTube channel or any other social media page, this is a video that you're not going to want to miss out on. So make sure you subscribe and turn on the notifications so that you don't miss it. Now, the fourth passive income strategy that I want to share with you is dividend stocks. Dividend stocks are a really straightforward way of creating passive income, and you can get started with this more or less instantly if you already have a trading account. Dividend stocks are shares of public companies which aim to pay a dividend out to their shareholders on a regular basis. And this can be a great way to earn passive income, particularly if you don't have much time available to go down one of the other routes, such as writing a book or buying a piece of real estate. If selecting individual dividend stocks seems like a bit of a daunting idea to you, there are exchange-traded funds, or ETFs for short, available, which specifically invest into a basket of underlying companies that will pay out dividends. This option means that you would simply invest into one of these ETFs in the same way that you would buy shares of an individual company, except that with an ETF, you also get the added benefit of having your investment diversified across the different companies and industries in which that ETF invests. An example of a popular dividend ETF is the ProShares S&P 500 Dividend Aristocrats ETF, which uses the ticker symbol NOBL. This fund invests in the shares of companies which have gained the prestigious title of a dividend aristocrat, which means that they've continued to increase their dividend payments for a minimum of 25 consecutive years. I do have another video which goes a bit deeper into how to choose an index fund or an ETF to invest in, So I'm going to add a link to that down in the description for you to go and have a look at it if you want to. So now last up at number 5 is affiliate programs. Affiliate programs can provide a good way of earning passive income, and they can be a very hands-off way of doing so too. One example of a popular affiliate program is Amazon Affiliates, which is of course Amazon's own affiliate program. And you can set up an account with Amazon Affiliates fairly easily, and that's going to enable you to generate special affiliate links for any of the products that are sold through Amazon. Then each time someone clicks on your affiliate link and ends up purchasing that product that you were advertising, Amazon will pay you a commission on the value of that product, and also anything else that the customer buys within their visit to Amazon's website. If you want to see a couple of real-life examples of affiliate links, just open up the video description down below and you'll be able to see some affiliate links that I've included for the camera equipment that I use to film this video. Clicking on any of those links would simply take you through to the relevant product page on Amazon's website, where you could then look at the specific camera equipment that I use, and if you ended up buying something during that visit to Amazon, Amazon would then pay me a small percentage-based commission on the value of the sale as a thank you for referring you to them as a customer. Affiliate programs can be really powerful, and especially so if you have an existing social media following, as you'll already have an audience with whom you can share your affiliate links. For example, I see this a lot when my girlfriend is flicking through Instagram stories and there are people showing off the different makeup products that they use. And there's always an affiliate link in there for you to be able to buy those exact same products if you like what you see. And whilst having a social media presence will obviously help more people to see your links, it doesn't mean that that is the only way you can generate income from affiliate programs. An alternative idea could be to post your affiliate links into online forums where the products that you're advertising are likely to gain interest from the members of that forum. So for example, if you're a dog owner and you just bought a new dog walking lead, which turns out to be the best one you've ever found, well, you could go and find that same product on Amazon, generate your affiliate link to it, and then add a post in your local dog owner's Facebook page telling everyone how great this new lead is and giving them a link that they can use to go and buy it if they want to. So there you have it. I really hope you learned something new here, and feel free to leave me a comment down below and let me know what you thought of today's video. Also, don't forget to give the video a thumbs up. It only takes a couple of seconds to do, but it really helps me out and it helps the channel to grow and reach more people too. I post a brand new video right here on the channel every single week, so if you want to be among the first to be notified when a new video drops, make sure you hit the subscribe button and turn on those notifications by clicking the bell icon down below, and you'll then be notified as and when new videos are released. Thanks so much for watching, have an amazing day, and I will see you right back here next time.